Chivaviro. Here's Brian, 19-year-old Thabisundelu, making a first league.
It is the captain, Mqineka.
First opportunity of the season. Last season, it was Richads Bay who got the victory courtesy of a solitary goal from United for making his way to South Africa, and he might have some work to do here. Early opportunity for Kaizer Chiefs. It's hit the side netting. Pulemori made a cameo off the bench in the Carling knockout demolition of Supersport United, and also appeared in the league against Sundowns.
Because you can drop back.
Well, what we've just seen there is Mabuya with the license to get forward and play those crosses. He's up around opportunity here for Ndaba. And Mputuma, he squared it, and first time effort directed just wide of goal from Smilan Tsundwana.
The frame might deceive you to think.
Yesterday, two first half goals from Maon Kota as trying to set Ashley Dupre on his way, but a good reading of the game from the 31-year-old Ian Patieno.
Oh, he seems to be injured. Wonder what happened.
For them, Kizana with a winner. He's since moved on. Dylan Solomon's on the bench today. Lovely ball. Oh, that is brilliantly worked. And Wani Leduba has his first Betway Premiership goal of the season. It's a neat little finish after Chiefs had piled on the pressure for an age, and eventually it pays off.
It looks easy, but the manufacturer.
Quarter hour, just under a quarter hour remaining here. Lovely ball from Frostler. Oh man, should have been a second goal given him Simango. And just his second league starts of the season, turning that wide. Peach of a cross from Frostler.
A peach, you're absolutely right, Grant. Sing.
Tetua to Frostler. Duba bursting into the space. Oh, he's aimed it across. And how on earth has Brad Cross missed that? A couple times at the beginning of the season, he had big opportunities to score, but wasn't able to, and that is another opportunity
to take one.
So it is Mtembu. It's a decent ball. And Brandon Peterson will claim after Keegan Allen's header looped into the air. Mabuya takes again. Richards Bay are able to find a man in the box. This time it's Tsundwana.
And he should have done well there. He's got the height. The technique was completely wrong. He just got up high. Do they still sit back, or do they venture forward to take a few risks, take shots and test the keeper? That's going to be critical.
Well, very early in the first half, Reef Frostler was booked for a foul on Langlihle Mhlongo. He's been on a yellow card since the second minute. He's found Ndaba, a man who here it comes, and Reef Frostler,
I think he's been praised.
Is dismissed. So in their fifth league meeting, this is the third player to have been shown
knew it was coming.
A red card. Reef Frostler has been sent off.
He knew it was coming.
Yellow cards in the opening minutes of both halves. I can understand where he's coming from.
What do you understand? I'm trying to see. Look at him. He's a couple of seconds late, and he commits that. He still had.
Yeah, okay, maybe.
There is no excuse for that.
Comes on here. Then it is 4 red cards in 6 matches. TNT is sent off in that Network Cup meeting as Pulemori makes way here to accommodate the arrival of the Montfort Golden Arrows. As Mtembu gets past one, and Then dragged down by Mtetwa just outside the area.
Someone is taking responsibility now on the side of Richards Bay. They're much more aggressive in their approach.
And it is Mabuya. Drops onto the roof of the nets. Came down just a fraction too late.
Yeah. It caused easy cramping. Oh, did he snap something? That was a tricky one.
55th birthday. Now here's Sitebe's free kick. Whew. Figueiredo. Oh, touch from Peterson. Two subs combined. Mabua. Figueiredo.
Was that a handball? Yes.
Yeah.
Too high. Justice served. He's got a yellow.
Trying to disguise it, but Mart. Lovely pass from Yusuf Mart. Big opportunity here. 10-man Kaizer Chiefs double their advantage. Ashley Dupree with his first league goal of the season in his first start.
That's how you take advantage as well. At moments that matters most. And it needs speed, accuracy, composure as well. Technique is also very important. And it is Ashley Dupree who gets it right. It's good for his confidence. Leading that front line, he's got the pace. He looks serious, the coach, but hey, I know
Botswana International, Titi Ditlokwe.
Listen, it's all about sorting out or getting yourself tight.
Namtembu. The 23-year-old has taken his eye off that. Ashley Dupree keeps going and still keeps going. He's rolled it into the path here of Yusuf Mart. Oh, side netting. That would have crowned a sensational performance from Mart.
Obviously, setting up the captain himself. Look at when he wins the ball. Catch me if you can. They tried. They failed. Two players. And then this is what happens. Do you play it back? He does well there. I thought he should have played it back to the man that set him up. But he wanted glory for himself. He was not even looking. But then he seems to be ready to come back.
Butuma held his run. Peterson makes the save. Into the first of half a dozen additional minutes. Butuma has pulled one back. And we are going to have a fantastic finish on our hands here.
What a header. Look at how he gets up, Grant.
Well, if ever, Brian, you've seen two more contrasting headers at goal in quick succession, and we've just seen it from Butuma.
Look at his frame. You look at the frame of the defenders that Chiefs has.
On the weekends. Peterson with an easy claim. Chiefs play on. Cross, Zwane. Drag cross again. Into space for Saile. Oh, man.